Let's learn how to insert data and work with form fields effectively. From your dashboard, double-click on the client name, bank name, property type you want to use. This opens the document where you can begin inserting data. To start, locate the Insert Data button in the top left section of your screen. Click on it. When you click Insert Data, a vertical panel opens on the left side of the screen, displaying form fields. These fields are marked in red, indicating they need to be filled. In the document, editable sections are shaded in grey. This helps you easily identify which variables you can modify. There are two types of form fields. Fields where you type data manually, such as the data valuation. Fields with drop-down menus where you select from preset options. When you fill in a form field, the data automatically updates across the document wherever it appears. For example, if you update the data valuation, it reflects in all relevant sections instantly. Just remember to save each document to ensure all updates are captured accurately. Let's talk about the form field color codes. Initially, fields are marked red, indicating they are empty. When you fill in a field, it turns yellow, signifying the data has been added. If a colleague or someone else reviews the field, it turns green after verification. To make navigation easier, you can view the form fields either page-wise or all at once. This option is available at the top of the form field section. You can use the Save button on the top right of the screen to save the document. And that's how you use the form fields to insert data seamlessly. Next, we'll learn how to use the inbuilt calculator to automate calculations.